with amazing customers driving and flying in from all over the U.S., like New Jersey, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and all the way down in Louisiana. Now, some fun facts about these states. Did you know that in Louisiana, stealing an alligator could land a person in jail for up to 10 years? Or that in Kansas City, Missouri, installation of bathtubs with 4 legs resembling animal paws is prohibited. In Iowa, horses are forbidden to eat fire hydrants. And who would have known that in New Jersey, it is against the law for a man to knit during the fishing season? And if you are in Nebraska, make sure you don't go whale fishing because that is illegal. You've been reading the car dealers' ads lately and noticed repeated themes like biggest sale of the year, best sale of the year, and this only happens once a year, and yet a new sale monthly. And boom, you have questions. If I'm not ready, should I wait until next year? If I bought during another sale, would I pay too much? Which sale is the best sale? Do I have patience for this? At WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, we offer the best price with all possible rebates and discounts and no fees every day. Save your money and your mind at WowWoodys.com today. Now, it's the moment you have all been waiting for. Let's head over to Dana and Leah and see what made them drive all the way from Oklahoma to buy a vehicle at WowWoodys.
What's your guys' names?
I'm Dana Andrews.
Leah Andrews.
Andrews. And your sales advisor today was who?
Polly.
Holly. And Polly told me to ask you guys, how long have you been married?
This March the 28th will be 43 years.
That is amazing. That's awesome. Congratulations. Alrighty, guys. What brought you guys into WowWoodys today?
2014 Ford Explorer. Just kidding. Edge. Sorry.
An Edge?
Ford Edge, yeah.
Awesome. And where are you guys from?
Speak.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Oh, wow. So how long did it take you guys to get here?
We left this morning at 5:30 a.m. and we pulled in about, what, 11 o'clock?
11:30, 11:45.
Goodness, so that's quite a drive.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Do you guys think it was worth the drive to come up here?
Absolutely.
Awesome. How'd Polly do for you today?
Polly, me and her started on this adventure, was it yesterday? I believe it was Thursday, and we worked through it by email and phone correspondence, and she's awesome. She got it done, and everything is as she said it would be, so I'm very pleased.
Awesome. It's wonderful to hear. And what do you guys think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
I think there's not a lot of hidden things. I mean, everything's up in the open, and she's very upfront, and so, I mean, that's, to me, I think it's probably honesty.
That's awesome.
So,
and what did you guys think of the overall sales process?
it worked seamless. It was seamless. It was perfect.
And were you wowed enough by WowWoodys today to recommend us to your friends and family?
Sure, yeah.
Good. Well, thank you for coming in today, and congratulations on your guys' car.
Thank you.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.